5 best work at home for introverts. Unlock the top 5 work from home jobs that combine flexibility and earning potential. Discover your perfect remote role today. So, hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can use these 5 jobs to start earning money with it. So, the first one we have here Promos. As you can see, all I have to do is just go to Google Play and type Promos. So, this is Promos. We have here earn money, complete task surveys, or taking photos. You have just to click on install and then you start with it. So to make money on Promos.com, start by sign up as a contributor on their platform. Promos.com offers a variety of tasks often involving data collection and local research, which can include taking photos, answering surveys, or providing other location-based information. Once you are registered, browse the available tasks in your area and select ones that match your interests and expertise. Then complete these tasks accurately and efficiently to earn money, as you typically receive payment upon task completion and review. The key to maximizing your earnings is to stay active on the platform, quickly accept and complete tasks, and consistently deliver high quality work to build a good reputation and gain access to more opportunities. So that's how you can earn money with promos. Then we have the second one, it's Fairfiction. So here we have the homepage of Fairfiction.com. As you can see, we have here first information, but if you want to make money on Fairfiction, all I have to do is just start by sign up as a tester on their platform. So you click over login, then you click over sign up and write your personal information, then you get started with Fairfiction. So Fairfiction specialized in usability testing and user feedback for websites and apps. Once you are registered, you'll have access to various testing opportunities where you evaluate digital product based on user experience criteria. You'll complete tasks such as navigating websites or apps, providing detailed feedback on your experience, and reporting any issues or suggestions for improvement. Payment is typically made upon the successful completion of these tests and submission of your feedback. To maximize your earnings, stay engaged with the platform, respond quickly to testing invitations, and deliver through high quality feedback to build a strong profile and increase your chances of getting more testing opportunities. So this is how you can earn money with Fairfiction. And if we scroll down, we have here your UX research in a few days. We have here we write, we recruit, we conduct the study we recommend, and that's it with Fairfiction. All you have to do is just read this information to more understand about this website. Then we have here survey time, sorry. So this is the homepage of survey time. We have here how you can sign up. You can use first sign up with Google, then you can use also Facebook, or sign up with email. So all you have to do is just write your email address and your password, then you start now by also clicking off agree to the terms of services, and that's it. So right now, to earn money on survey time, start by sign up for an account on their platform as I mentioned before. Then survey time connects users with paid surveys from various market research companies. Once you registered, you will receive notification about available surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Complete the surveys honestly and thoroughly to earn rewards. As survey time offers a fixed payment of $1 for each survey completed. Payments are typically processed quickly, often via PayPal or gift cards, making it a straightforward way to earn money. To maximize your earnings, regularly check for new surveys, be prompt in responding to invitations, and ensure you meet the qualification criteria for each survey to increase your opportunities to earning. Here we have how does survey times work. Sign up for survey time for free. Tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey. And the last one states start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get an instant money reward. So that's it for this website. Let's move on to the next one. We have PaperTrue. So this is the homepage of PaperTrue. All I have to do is just dive into papertrue.com. We have here a various information, and we have which service do you need. Here we have business, academic, author, job applicant also. So to make money on PaperTrue, you can start by sign up as a freelancer on their platform, which specialized in editing and proofreading services. Once registered, you'll be able to take on editing assignments where you review and refine documents such as academic papers, business reports, or manuscripts to improve their clarity, coherence, and overall quality. Ensure that you have a strong grasp of grammar, style, and formatting rules to provide high-quality edits. Your earnings will depend on the number of assignments you complete and their complexity. To maximize your income, maintain a high standard of work, meet deadline, and build a positive reputation on the platform, which can lead to more and higher paying assignments over time. So this is how it works with PaperTrue. And here we have how it works. We have here upload your document, editor selected, editing and proofreading, review by senior editor. Then we have quality check, and the last one is valid document. So that's it with PaperTrue. Then we have here Metro Opinion. So this is the homepage of Metro Opinion. We have here first you choose your country. For here, as you can see, we have here Europe, Oceania, and we have here Africa and Asia also, North America, South of America also. And then we have here how it works with Metro Opinion, how to earn with paid surveys in 3 easy steps: sign up, answer, and get paid. So to make money on Metro Opinion, all you have to do is first create an account which offers paid survey opportunities. After registration, you will receive invitations to participate in surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Each survey you complete will earn you money, and Metro Opinion typically provides a range of topics for various interests. To maximize your earnings, regularly check your account for new survey opportunities. Ensure you complete survey thoroughly and honestly, and strive to meet any qualification criteria. Additionally, maintaining an active profile and promptly responding to invitations can help you secure more surveys and consequently increase your overall earnings. And then we have the last one, it's Appen. So we have here appen.com. Firstly, you have to sign up. You get started here. You click over get started, and this is how it works with Appen. So to earn money on Appen, begin by signing up and creating a profile on their platform, which specializes in micro tasks and flexible work opportunities related to artificial intelligence and data. After registration, you will have access to various projects such as data annotation, transcription, and search engine evaluation. To maximize your earnings, select tasks that align with your skills and interests and complete them accurately and efficiently. Apple offers flexible working hours so you can work around your schedule and take on multiple tasks to increase your income. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.